Okay guys, today we're going to be doing a writer's prompt, and we're going to be doing this in our partner groups. So yesterday we all picked partners, and that should be, now we have 11 groups and now 11 different pictures because you all picked the picture of your animals yesterday. And remember, partners means two, not three, not one. We should have 11 groups because we have 22 people in our class. So what is a writer's prompt? So what a writer's prompt basically is that we're just going to be creating a story between using a picture that we have. So we're all using animal pictures. So mine, for example, I did a pair of otters. And what you're going to do is that you're just going to use your text box. First of all, let's talk about how we're going to put the picture into our slides. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to background. You're going to hit choose image. And you can either upload it from your own pictures. You can use a URL by using the URL in your photo, or you can use a Google search and browse. I personally used the URL, but you can honestly Google search it or upload it from a picture you already have. So, here's what we're gonna. So after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the story between them. So how would you could do that? What you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to insert, and then under shapes, you're gonna scroll over, and then gonna move down to callouts, and then you can use either any one of these. I preferred using the box because it's easier to get text in, but you can use the diamond, star, the pokey one, I guess. You could even use the flag. But so for example, say I use let's use the scroll. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the scroll, roll it out, and then it comes out like that, and then just click in it, and then you can just type in it. So that's how you get that there. And remember, we're doing this as a group project, so one person, here's how you can do it. You can either have one person do one animal, one person do the other animal, or you can each focus on each slide together, or you could have one person do 5 of the slides, the first 5 slides, and have the next partner do the remaining 5 slides. I've seen it done I've seen it done every single way. They've all turned out great projects. So in our project, you can just type about whatever. In my writer's prompt, I did a pair of otters, and basically they're kind of mad because the humans keep calling them beavers, and they're not happy about that because they're otters. But at the end, they get the humans to call them beavers. The humans to call them otters, and they give them the thumbs up. So they're obviously pretty happy, but so you can just kind of do whatever, use your imagination. I kind of went for that idea because this otter looks pretty mad, and and I saw this Animal Planet episode where this human called a otter a beaver, so that's kind of where my inspiration came from. But kind of just use your imagination, to be honest. Other than that, that's pretty much it. One example that I kind of liked a lot is that this kid had had this picture of these cows, and that gave him a lot of inspiration because he could either use the cows could either be talking about the grass, they could be talking about going over to the farmer's field and eating his carrots, they could be talking about that pesky deer who keeps picking out their clovers that they like to munch on. You just really just use your imagination, have fun, just be creative. You don't really have to focus on grammar or really anything. We're just kind of just shooting a story out we're just kind of just shooting out a story. We'll sure everything up tomorrow. Just remember, have fun, be creative, and I'll see you tomorrow.